Hello, welcome to our August property market update. Now, August is the opportunity month. And why do we say that? Well, it's lockdown in 3 or 4 states around the country in basic form, right? So why is that opportunity? Well, there's a lot of owner-occupiers that generally make up a large proportion of people who buy and sell property. Now, if we strategically think about that, a lot of owner-occupiers will buy with emotion, right? Now, when we buy with emotion, that's cool, we get that. Sometimes we'll pay overs for it, right? However, as an investor, we don't want to use emotion. We want to use logic, we want to use research, we want to use numbers, etc., etc. So if we haven't got those emotional buyers in the market because they're locked down, it means that we can play a game on our own, or with less people giving us competition that's pushing prices up. We also get to deal with vendors and agents that can look at it strategically and say, look, we're open to buying this property sight unseen, knowing that we understand the area, we've done our numbers, we know that our finances are good, and we'll put building and pest as I suppose, a clause in there, but we can be strategic in buying good property, whether it be off market or on market, because we haven't got the mobs of people joining us, right? So that's really something to think about if you're an investor out there sitting on the fence, maybe wanting to take some action, okay? What's happening around the country? Well, Southeast Queensland's all the rage at the moment. Now, the 2032 Olympics announcement has been a catalyst for that. Everyone loves the idea of owning property in Queensland. So again, the emotional buyers are saying, let's go and buy something there in preparation for the 2032 Olympics that's going to last 2 weeks, right? They go and do it anyway, which helps push property prices up in some way, shape or form. So just keep an eye on those, the markets up there, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast and indeed Brisbane, but understand the type of property that you're buying and the yields required for your situation, right? The other part of it is we're in August, we're in the depth of winter, and for a quarter of the country's population in Victoria, it's pretty chilly. Now, what these people think, because I lived there for the first 20 years of my life, is that, hell, I'd love to get out of here and move north to the sunny state. Again, puts more, I suppose, pressure on the northern markets, which essentially are anything north of Sydney, okay? So keep an eye on that as well. The days on markets will probably trend down as a result through that period, and it is a big catalyst in buying real estate. Again, people buying with emotion because our long-term plan is to get out of that cold state and move north into the sun and get some vitamins. So hope that helps. That's our August market update. We'll chat soon.